Hello and welcome. If you're new to my channel, I'm Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous, authentic ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. You don't need to know anything about ballet. You don't need to be a specific age or body type. I'm here to show you how to bring ballet's grace and power into your life. In this video, we're going to be doing a little compassion and kindness exercise. I know that might sound kind of strange, like what does that have to do with ballet? Well, I can tell you as a teacher to adults for all these years that I often see that the body is not really the issue. The obstacles that people encounter are less physical and they are more about their emotional and mental state. So if your head or heart are clenching with tension, with criticism, with negativity, this is what can really stand in the way of blossoming in your ballet technique and really feeling the beauty and joy of it. So I hope that you'll really enjoy this. Remember, if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you'd like to train more with me, head over to everydayballet.com and check out what we have to offer. I would love to share more ballet with you. I'm delighted you're here. Let's ballet. For this exercise, you will want a comfortable seat, or you can also do this lying down. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is that you are comfortable in your body and you're ready to allow, however you're positioned, you are ready to allow that surface to support you. So go ahead and take your hands, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our hands, and whichever one is most comfortable for you, you can place your hands over your heart, just nice and easy. Let the arms relax, try to relax the face, the throat. And right here, we're just gonna take a nice breath in. And on the exhale, we're just gonna let our body just meet the surface that we're on, however we are positioned. And if you need to adjust, feel free to do that. And again, breathing in and exhaling. Just letting yourself come into your body, and again, breathing in and exhaling. And now just noticing the eye sockets and the forehead, and going in there, you can close your eyes if you like, or just relax them. When we breathe in, just notice these areas. And as we exhale, see if you can soften them. Feel like your eye sockets are deepening. Feel like your brow is releasing, especially right between the eyebrows. And again, breathing in and exhale. And as you inhale, just see if you can bring a little ease to your head. Sometimes our brain feels like it's clenched up. So as you exhale, see if you can just let your brain become heavy in the skull. Let it just drop right in the middle. Or if you're lying down, let it just fall towards the bed or the couch, the floor. And again, breathing in and letting that brain unclench and release. And now we're going to breathe in, and as we exhale, we're going to silence any thoughts. We're just going to make the sound shh on the exhale. And again, breathing in and exhaling with a very quiet shh. And as you make this sound, just letting go of any thoughts. And as you inhale, just taking in the breath, trying to release the throat, the face. Very soft. It's a very soft feeling. So breathing in, and on the exhale, and now that we're exploring this softness, explore bringing this softness to your heart. So feeling where your heart is under your hands and breathing in. And as you exhale, softening the heart with that shh. And again, inhale. And exhale and soften. And again. And exhale. And just letting the breath come and go. And as you're doing this softening practice, feel that warmth under your hands right there next to your heart. Feel that warm energy you can bring to yourself. If any thoughts, particularly any critical thoughts, negative thoughts about yourself, about others, or anxious thoughts about what you need to do, if they start kind of floating in, just notice them. Let them drift. See if you can let go, let them pass. And realize that you're supported, you're warm, you're soft, and everything's really okay in this moment. And now see if you can open up a little bit of kindness for yourself, imagining it like a little circle that's coming from a dot and it's opening up into a little circle, a little sphere. And you're filling that little sphere with warmth, the warmth you feel under your hands next to your heart. And breathing into that warmth and filling it up and exhaling, releasing tension. And again, breathing into that warmth, letting yourself feel it and letting go. And again, breathing in. And letting yourself feel that warmth and releasing the breath. Very kind, very soft, very gentle. And just taking some more breaths here. Allowing yourself to be soft, to be warm, to be supported. And realizing that that softness, that warmth, that support is something you can give to yourself at any time. We're just practicing. Feeling the softness, the warmth, the support. And realizing that you can bring these to yourself at any time. That you can be kind with yourself. That you can be compassionate. That you can allow yourself to have beauty, to have joy. And taking one more big breath in. And as we exhale, and if your eyes are closed, just gently let them float open. Beautiful. I hope you found that exercise helpful and that you were able to give yourself a moment of peace, of support, of warmth, and begin to practice kindness and letting go of those thoughts that drift through our consciousness just like clouds. You can do it any old time. And I thank you so much for sharing ballet with me today. And until next time, happy dancing.